Hello, I'm Morris Dimba. Welcome to this presentation. Today I am going to demonstrate on how to place roofing sheets and the very best application component suitable for roofing sheet placement. Let's kick off here by first reorienting our reorienting our axis to take the slope of our rafter here. Now, as usual, we'll go to view. Under view, we'll come to work plane and just place your work plane tool right in that corner and right click and interrupt that command. You'll see that your axis has taken the slope of the rafter. Now this will give our roofing sheet the direction to take and the slope to follow. Let's kick off by placing first the guidance for our roofing sheets. We'll come to steel, we'll come to beams, click steel beam, click right on that corner, on that purlin, just go straight to this end and snap at that point. Let's zoom out. You can adjust this by double clicking on this and change all this. I'll go to view, navigate, rotate by mouse or rotate with mouse and turn this around. I'll push this slightly to flush with this edge of purlin. I'll go to move, I'll click there and move it right on that spot. Turn this around. I want this to move close to the center of this purlin. I'll click there, click on that spot and snap it in the middle there. I'll go down here and check on the offset of this because I want my roofing sheet to I want my length of the roofing sheet to be exactly the length of this member, and this I'm placing this just for guidance of my placement of the roofing sheets. It's perfect the way it is now. After doing that, I'll come to these applications and component. I'll type number 8. Click inside of this dialog box and scroll down. You'll see this panel in database. Click on that, click on it, then I'll pick my position. My first position will be here from that edge, and I'll run all the way to this end. I'll click there. Now if I turn this round, you'll be able to see our corrugated roofing sheet. Now I have nothing to do with this now, that steel member. What I wanted is this, and I've got it. Let's move on. Right there, and turn this round. Move this. To the center of the purlin, right there. close this. It is actually useless at the moment. Check. This is what we have now as our roofing sheet. Turn this round. I want a very clear position where I'll be able to copy this. I'll click that, come to copy. I'll pick it from this point. I'll snap at that point and come all the way to this point, to that point. All the way to this point. Now from there we want to place our bolts or our J hooks on top of this roofing sheet. Now we'll come to bolts. I'll click this member and click this member and press my space bar on the keyboard, and I'll snap at that point. And run all the way you have to be accurate here, and run all the way and snap it here. Snap it there, right click to get out of that command. My bolt is there. Slightly inside. I'll double click on this. I'll come to start points. I'll adjust this, bring it to 200. I'll apply that, and OK. Come there and rotate. Actually, it is right on the spot. It has a washer there. Top here have washer. Perfect. You can change the size of the bolt from here. You can change to 10 if you like. I'll leave it at 12. 10 is the best. 10 is the best. Now I'll pick this, click on it, right click, copy. From this point, from that spot, I'll bring it here. I'll move to the next point there. I'll move to the next point. I'll place this one here. I'll go to the next. 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 Just move like that to the very last box. There, right there, right there, right there. Perfect. Now we'll leave this for joint, for another joint. Now we'll highlight the second one, that, and this. Just move all the way. Just move all the way there. Then I'll pick this, right click, copy. I'll pick it from this midpoint of the purlin and move to the next midpoint of the purlin, which is this one. I'll move to the next spot. I'll leave this for our next overlapping sheet. Now before that, I'll have to place our next placement point. I'll come there, I'll snap at this point and direct it. Just zoom out, just place your cursor here. I'll type 30, an overlap of 30, or 50 is okay. Overlap of 50, that's perfect. Now I'll pick that, I'll pick this and pick that. Right click and copy. I'll snap at that point. And come all the way to this spot. Place it there. Perfect. Now I'll pick these points again, that and this. I'll right click and copy. I've not picked it the best way. I'll highlight that, I'll highlight this, right click and pick it from this spot. I'll move out and go to this spot. I'll click there. See, there are 2 points there now. I'll pick this, pick that, right click, copy. From this spot, all the way up here. I'll snap it here. I'll go back for the 2 points. For these 2 points, I'll select that, I'll right click, copy. I'll pick it from this end there. Zoom out and place it right here, right there. I'll highlight this, press Ctrl that and that, right click and copy. Just zoom out, move it to the next point from that spot. Just zoom out and place it here and overlap there. Now we have some bit of some bit of correction here. We'll click that, right click, delete that. Click this, click this, control, click that, copy, run all the way, not actually that way. We just come here to panel and database, in database, and pick our points here, there, and there. If a key can clearly detect something wrong here, click that, delete, undo that, undo that. Let's go back where we were. Slightly we want to offset this, click there, turn this round, check the overlap, not good, but just for a demonstration this is enough for you. It's just for demonstration, a demo. Turn this, click this, that, and that, move. From there to there, 100. Click move from this point to this point. Right click again, move from this point to this point. We are trying to reduce the overlap. From this spot there to this point. Perfect. Now we can join this with bolt on that on the purlins. We can join this perfectly here. Turn this around. Can join this perfectly there. Perfect. Now next, we'll come there, we'll click beam, just click there, just find a place to snap. We'll snap this one here, maybe 1 meter. 1 meter is okay. Accept that. Right click, reduce this to 0. all this to 0, accept that, apply, OK. Right click, move this from this spot, from this spot to that spot, from this spot to this spot. Try to turn this round. Move again from that edge to this edge. Right click, move this forward from here, get a place to snap this and snap it here. If you can't get a place to snap, we'll snap on itself. Just click here, move here by 50. By 50, move again by 50, snap on that point and place your cursor there, 50 again. Double click on this, bring this to 500. Bring this to 500. Shorten this by 500. 500. 450. 400. Apply that, and do that, and do that. Come to edit, edit, any position, click there and click here. Click that, press Ctrl, move this from here, just snap somewhere here. Not perfect, not perfect. And do that, and do that, and do that. Come to edit, come to points, pick any. We'll come to edit, come to any position. Click on that spot, pick that point, click undo, undo that, undo that. Come to view, rotate this, come to edit, edit. Perfect, you can work with this. Click that, press Ctrl, 400, reduce this, 300, from here, 200, let's snap somewhere here, 100, perfect for us, still big, 0, 100, fine, we'll work with that. Turn this around. Okay, now we want to chop off. We'll come back to panel in database. We'll click this spot, that spot, and this spot. Come here, rotate this. We'll remove that. right click, copy this, not perfect, copy this right from that edge and bring it right here, right there. We'll come to edit, come to any, delete this, click on that spot, come to navigate, rotate, rotate this, undo that, come to view, rotate this, perfect. You can work with this, copy from this end, copy it from this end 400 and run all the way to this end, 300, 200. It is copied the wrong way, still big, 0, fine, we'll work with that. Click that, right click, move, pick it from this spot and place it here. Come back to panel in database. There. Click this spot, that spot, and this copy spot. From this end. We'll remove that. And this end. Right click, copy this. Perfect. Now we'll rotate this, click that and rotate and bring it right here. Right there. Delete this, click this, come to navigate, rotate, that and that, that and that, and this one. Once you've selected that, right click, go to copy, pick it from the midpoint here, come all the way to the next purlin midpoint, copy, place it there, from this end, copy it from this end, come to the next one, snap it there, come to the next one, snap it there, come to the next one, snap it there, just move to the next one, snap it there, move to the next one, snap there, move to the next one, copied the wrong way, and snap there. Click that, right click. Now we'll select this, press Control, select that, select that, select that, select that. Select this from this end, not necessary that one. We'll just click this and that, moving down, and that one, perfect. That and this and that, that and this and that. We want to copy this, right click, copy, click this. Before you copy, rotate this and turn around and check the best position possible for the accurate movement or copying command. Once you've selected right click, end that rotation command, right click, pick it from the midpoint, right click again, I'll copy.
Come all the way
From this
to the
spot,
next purlin midpoint.
from that corner,
Place it there.
to this corner.
Come to the next one.
I'll move same way
There.
to
Come
this
the
corner.
next one. Snap it there.
I'll move to next corner.
Snap it there.
I'll move to the next corner.
Snap it there.
I'll go to the next corner.
Snap there.
I'll move to the next corner again.
To the next one. And snap there.
Like that till you get to the very end of it. Just zoom closer to ensure you are very accurate in placing the sheet.
That, select that, select that.
There.
Select this.
Just move closer and snap it there.
Not necessary that one. You just click this and that.
Just zoom closer.
Moving down.
There.
That one. That and this and that. That and this and that.
Right there.
We want to copy this. Right click, copy.
Right there.
Before you copy, rotate this and turn around
Close to the end.
and check the best position possible
Just zoom out.
for the accurate movement or copying command.
Just zoom out.
Click.
In, out,
And
in,
that's
out.
command, right click. Right click again.
Right there.
Copy. From this spot. From that corner.
Right there.
To this corner. Move.
Right there.
To this corner. Move to next corner.
Right there.
I'll move to the next corner.
Snap it right there.
Go to the next corner.
Snap this one right here.
Move to the next corner again.
Perfect.
Like that till you get to the very end of it.
Zoom, rotate this.
Zoom closer to ensure you are very accurate in placing the sheet. There. Just move closer and snap it there.
Right click, redraw this.
Just zoom closer. There.
Perfect.
Right there.
Turn this round. You can continue placing your bolts as I have demonstrated this.
Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. In, out, in, out. Right.
Best way to place your sheets.
Right there.
Turn this round, you can check that. Now on this side, the best command, just mirror. You highlight everything, get a mirror line and mirror everything on this side. Now we will wind up at this point, and we'll continue on the next episode on how to place the gutters and the draining pipes. Draining pipes for
Perfect.
I mean the draining pipes for gutters.
Check this.
Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you've learned something today regarding the roofing sheet placement. Thanks a lot. I'm Morris Dimba. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Right click, redraw this. Perfect. Turn this round. You can continue placing your bolts as I have demonstrated this. Best way to place your sheets. Turn this round, you can check that. Now on this side, the best command, just mirror. You highlight everything, get a mirror line and mirror everything on this side. Now we will wind up at this point, and we'll continue on the next episode on how to place the gutters and the draining pipes. Draining pipes for the draining pipes for gutters. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you've learned something today regarding the roofing sheet placement. Thanks a lot. I'm Morris Dimba. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.